Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to view significant locations on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This is where you can manage all your location and data permissions. Next, tap on Location Services at the top. Here you'll see all the apps that have access to your location. Scroll all the way down and select System Services. On this page, you'll find various system features that use your location. Scroll down again and tap on Significant Locations. Here's where you can see your iPhone location history. It shows you a summary of places you visited and recent location records. If you want to clear this data for privacy, simply tap Clear History at the bottom, then Clear History again. And that's it. You've successfully accessed significant locations on your iPhone. This feature helps your device provide better location-based suggestions and services. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks.